Have you ever heard a native English speaker say, "It's raining cats and dogs," and wondered why they're talking about animals? Or when someone says, "break a leg," they don't actually want you to break anything? Today, I'm teaching you 7 hilarious English idioms that native speakers use constantly. And once you know them, you'll finally understand what everyone's actually saying. Welcome back to Daily English Edge. I'm your host, and today we're covering 7 funny English idioms that will make your conversational English sound way more natural and native-like. These aren't boring grammar rules. These are real phrases that English speakers laugh about and use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have new expressions ready to use in your next real English conversation. Let's go. Let's start with one of the most famous, funny idioms. It's raining cats and dogs. Of course, actual cats and dogs aren't falling from the sky. This idiom simply means it's raining very heavily. So if it's a rainy day and you want to sound like a native speaker, don't say, "It's raining very hard." Say, "It's raining cats and dogs." Example, "We can't go outside today. It's raining cats and dogs." Your friend will immediately understand. It's pouring rain. This expression is so common in English-speaking countries that even children use it. Next up, break a leg. If someone tells you to break a leg, they actually want you to succeed, not get injured. This idiom is especially popular before performances, concerts, presentations, or job interviews. Native speakers say this to wish you good luck. Example, "I have a big presentation tomorrow." Your friend replies, "Good luck. Break a leg." It sounds strange when you first learn English, but it's one of the most positive phrases you can hear. The origin is actually theatrical. Actors say it to performers as a superstition. Here's a delicious-sounding idiom, piece of cake. This doesn't mean you're actually going to eat dessert. When something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy to do. Example, "This English test looks difficult." Your friend says, "Don't worry, it's a piece of cake." This phrase is incredibly common in everyday conversation. If a task is simple or something doesn't require much effort, a native speaker will definitely say it's a piece of cake. You'll hear this in offices, schools, and casual conversations constantly. Let's move to the next idiom, couch potato. A couch potato is someone who sits on the couch all day, watching TV and being inactive. It's a funny and slightly negative way to describe someone who's lazy and doesn't exercise. Example, "My brother sits at home and watches Netflix all weekend. He's such a couch potato." This idiom is funny because it compares a lazy person to a potato just sitting there. If you want to tease a friend who spends too much time indoors, you can playfully call them a couch potato. Now here's one that shows how native speakers think. It's not rocket science. When something is not rocket science, it means it's not complicated or difficult to understand. It's simple. Example, "How do I make coffee?" Someone might respond, "It's not rocket science, just add water and coffee grounds." This idiom is useful because it shows something doesn't require advanced knowledge or a genius-level IQ. Native speakers use this frequently when explaining simple tasks. It's a confident and casual way to say something is straightforward. Here's a funny animal-related idiom, barking up the wrong tree. This means you're trying to achieve something in the wrong way or looking for something in the wrong place. Imagine a dog barking at the wrong tree because the squirrel is actually in a different tree. That's pointless, right? Example, "If you think I stole your phone, you're barking up the wrong tree. Check your bedroom again." This idiom is perfect for situations where someone has the wrong idea or is pursuing the wrong person or direction. Finally, our last idiom is very modern and popular with younger English speakers. Spill the tea. This means to share gossip or reveal secrets. Tea, here, doesn't mean the hot beverage. It means interesting information or drama. Example: did you hear what happened between those two friends? Someone says, no, spill the tea. This idiom became super popular on social media and in casual conversation. When you spill the tea, you're sharing interesting news or information. Native speakers, especially younger ones, use this constantly in texts and conversations. There you have it. 7 funny English idioms that will make you sound more fluent and natural in real conversations. These aren't just random phrases. Native speakers use them every single day when talking with friends, family, and coworkers. Start using 1 or 2 of these in your next English conversation, and you'll immediately notice how much more natural you sound. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Edge for a brand new English lesson every single day. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll speak English fluently before you know it. See you in the next video.